And of course, this mini app and chatbot craze continues. We have plenty of AI bots on Telegram, AI-powered bots. This is a new trend. And of course, Telegram is the most natural way to interact with AI, right? Because how do you interact with ChatGPTs and Groks and all these other services? Through a chat-based interface. What's the best messaging app platform in the world? It's Telegram. Which messaging platform has the most powerful chatbot API? It's Telegram. So it's only natural that we see more and more of this stuff going on. However, there's a problem. And the problem is, most of these services still depend on centralized AI services providers to give you the features that you need. And the centralized providers, they can collect your data, they can use your data to train the models, they can profile you, they can manipulate you, they can do all kinds of stuff in the future. And some of them are doing it today. We learned it and understood it very clearly a few months ago when we were planning to build an integration with a centralized AI provider. And we said, okay, wouldn't it be cool if our users would be able to summarize a document they received? Or, for example, if they could summarize the unread messages. And a lot of users voiced their concern, and they said, no, we don't want our private messages, we don't want our private documents to be uploaded somewhere to a third party that will be doing who knows what with this data. So we realized the world needs a decentralized approach to AI. A world where AI belongs not to corporations or governments, but to the people. That's why we rolled up our sleeves and started to work on something big in the intersection of blockchain, AI, and social media. So we decided to build a decentralized network for AI features, for AI compute. We thought for a while, how do we name it even, right? One of the first ideas was Private Artificial Intelligence Network, abbreviated as PAIN. Right? Yeah, it would have been cool, but I imagine myself coming out to you today and saying, welcome to the world of pain. It seemed a bit off, right? So I kept thinking, and came up with a better naming. Or maybe worse, it's up to you to decide. It will be called Confidential Compute Open Network, or abbreviated as Cocoon. That's serious, that's serious. Are there many Russian speakers here among the audience? Okay, all right, good, good. We're gonna have a good meme competition for this one. I'm even afraid to imagine how you guys would read Cocoon in Russian. Will it be Cocoon or Sassoon? I don't even want to think about it. So, but you're welcome, you're welcome. We're expecting the memes should keep coming. So this thing is pretty straightforward. It's a decentralized network built on top of Ton, where owners of hardware could make their GPUs available for everybody, for the network, for the developers, for Telegram, for the mini apps, and be rewarded with Ton as an exchange. So the app developers would get access to really low-cost AI compute as a result of this. And this is great, because the whole thing will be transparent, it will be fully governed by free market dynamics, the price will fluctuate at every given moment, it will be the best price possible, as long as we get the critical mass of developers and of hardware providers, which something tells me we're about to get. The best part of it is completely private, completely confidential, so that users get to rely and enjoy their favorite AI features, such as document summarization or message drafting, without having to give up their private data, their personal information. And that's great. And of course, Telegram will be the first major customer of this network and will be the biggest promoter. We will promote the hell out of it. So this is ready, the technology is there. All we need is to accept some applications from hardware providers and from app developers, and then we launch. In November, it's the launch day.